So, hello everyone, I'm Angela, and today we're going to master the art of exam simulation to ace the listening comprehension exam of the Fachhochschulreife or whatever other examination that you are taking. Now, simulating an exam, a real exam situation, is a totally game changer. Most certainly, you have already tried that in class, but doing that on your own takes your preparation to a different level. The first thing that we have to do is, of course, we have to have authentic practice material. So we are going to try to take the exams from previous years. We use texts and audios from past exams because they are going to be gold for our preparation. You know that my book here is packed with exercises tailored to the new exam format. Now, you remember you don't have the audios or transcriptions here. So you have to pair this book with the Start Verlag exams from 2015 to 2022 for the ultimate practice session. And of course, all links are in the description. The second thing that we have to take into account when we do an exam simulation is to take a realistic environment setup. So I would suggest that you try to get into a quiet space, a study zone that more or less mirrors the exam zone. No distractions, just you and the text materials, or you and your study group. So tell your family and friends that they really have to leave you in peace right now. We're going to talk about this later, but please remember that teamwork, studying together, preparing your exams together with a group can actually amplify your learning. We also have to minimize interruptions here. So turn on your phone here and let everyone know that this is crunch time, so it's training time. Gather your pen, your paper, and if you must, headphones. Although I have to tell you that in order to do a real exam simulation, I rather recommend using speakers, because some people that get used to use the headphones because they say that they can concentrate better, but take into account that in the real exam, you will not have the possibility of using headphones. So I really think it's far better to use speakers, but hey, up to you. Now the time. You do not need to actually time yourself because if you are following the audios from the start book, for example, they are already timed. It's crucial to get a sense of the pacing between exercises and the recording. And again, if you just play hit the play with the audios from the start book, you will get all that from the recording in just one track, which means you don't have to be timing yourself or anything of the kind. What we have to do after doing our real simulation of the exam is to reflect on that. So post-simulation, it's analysis time. Celebrate your wins, identify which areas still present some difficulties, and tackle those mistakes head on. Compare, listen, and learn. And that's how you will close the gaps. So in conclusion, the regular simulations aren't just a practice. They are confidence builders because if you have done already a couple of them, and I really hope they are going to be more than just a couple, you will see how your results are good. That will take out the edge of nervousness, etc. And they really transform, these simulations will transform your skills and prepare you for the real deal. So, and of course, this is the end of my video. For more tips and targeted ideas here, stay tuned and find all the links in the description below. If this video helped you in any time, so please share the love with fellow students. And if you have any questions or any feedback, then drop them in the comments and I'm here to support you. Thank you for listening to me and have fun doing the preparation. Bye.